Folks, let me rephrase that. I'll see you at W Survivor Series JBL for the United States Championship. You have fired me a lot of times. You're a company boy. You have fired me a lot of times in the company. You have fired me one time in the company. You fired me. You fired the female. You fired everybody else in me. I'll see you at W Survivor Series. JBL for the WWE United States Championship. Bye. Everybody, I'll see you days and 5 cents, alright? Bye. Yeah, that would be good. Yes. I want to be good for me. Yes. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Here's your winner. Booker T. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. The New Day versus Braun Strowman. Oh! Braun Strowman! Yeah, Braun Strowman's gonna beat you guys up. I'll see you out there in Survivor Series. JBL, yeah! 1, 2, 3. Here's winner and the challenger for JBL's nice or for. Give me a match. I'll enter that match. Bray Wyatt wins. He will against JBL at the one-on-one match. Just one match, right? Yep. And at RKO, Sister Abigail to 2. Randy Orton here. 1, 2, 3. I win, JBL. Huh? I win, JBL. I will see you at W Survivor Series. And next month, I will beat you, boy. I'll beat you every time I find you, boy. I'll beat you up. I'm JBL. If you were in W Survivor Series, I will kick you, smack you. It was these two. JBL, you want a match against us so badly? Fine. You got a W Survivor Series match. You got 2 of us. Now you have the W Survivor Series with us. You're gonna challenge us. Again, you want a rematch against us. Yeah. Let's make it a 4-way match. Now WWE Survivor the Tornado. We're gonna have a tornado 4-way match at WWE Survivor Series. Fool. Yeah, that's right. WWE Survivor Series. WWE Survivor Series. A 4-way match. A 4-way tornado tag team match. Whoever wins that match will go after that match. Whoever wins, ever wins. Bye. The third match is going to be. Hello, guys. I'm the Theme. The Theme. I'm the Theme, guys. Alright. I'm Finn Balor. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Here's winner. The Theme. The third match is over. The fourth match. The fourth match. The 4-way match. The other match is going to be Ricochet. I am Ricochet. Remember me? I challenge you on W Survivor Series, Henry. I challenge you W Survivor Series, JBL. I will challenge you at W Survivor Series. No. I will do this for him. Thank you, Lightning. And instruction here. 1, 2, 3. Here's winner. Hey, Lightning. Yes, I won my match. Oh shit. I'm tuning against someone in this fucking company. Fucking company. It's not made for kids. Company's not made for kids, you dumbasses. This company is not made for kids. And you have any kids, don't let them watch this. It's not appropriate for their age. There's some bad language in here. There's actually some bad language like cursing, bad words, cussing, maybe some inappropriate, maybe not inappropriate stuff, but I'm gonna change my mind. There's not appropriate stuff. There's only just bad words in it. Only bad words in it. Okay? The owner can watch this. You want to see the owner of this company. It's pink lighting over there. Yep. Hey guys, remember me for the videos? The Universe.